Royal Nitrate Professional Test Kit. 2 steps only. We'll open the box and we'll see what we have inside the box. We will find 2 kinds of powders. The first one marked NO3-1 and the other one marked as NO3-2. 5 ml syringe, test vial, and a measuring spoon. So let's start with the test. We'll take firstly 5 ml of aquarium water to the test vial. In our case, we took a fresh mix of Royal Nature salt in order to see if there is any contents of nitrates. We'll add to the test vial 1 level scoop of NO3-1 and we'll swirl gently for 5 seconds. Now we are going to add 1 level scoop of NO3-2 and we'll swirl gently afterwards for another 30 seconds. We let it stand for 5 minutes. In this time you can find a way to make another test and not to spend your time just looking at the test vial. So after 5 minutes, we'll take the test vial, we'll hold the test vial next to the supplied color chart on a part of the chart which is white and compare the colors looking from the side of the test vial. We'll read the corresponding nitrate content. An intermediate color corresponds to intermediate nitrate content. So we can clearly see that the fresh mix of Royal Nature salt is very white and it corresponds to 0 ppm of nitrate. Now, like in the nitrate, we prepared in our lab 2 more solutions just to see the different colors. The first one that we have prepared in our lab is a solution with 10 ppm of nitrate. We are holding the test vial next to the chart and we can see the corresponding color next to 10 ppm. The second one that we have prepared is 25 ppm of nitrate in the solution. We are still holding the test vial and we are looking from the side of the test vial and we can see clearly how the color is changing and giving us the corresponding to 25 ppm of nitrate.